Windows do more than frame your view. They protect your home, regulate indoor comfort, and play a major role in energy efficiency. If you're a homeowner in Phoenixville, changing seasons and fluctuating temperatures can put your windows to the test. Over time, even well-made windows wear down. Knowing the warning signs early can help you avoid higher energy bills, comfort issues, and costly repairs later on. Below are the top signs it may be time to invest in professional window installation services in Phoenixville this year. Rising energy bills without explanation. If your heating or cooling costs keep climbing but your usage habits haven't changed, your windows could be the culprit. Older or damaged windows often allow air to leak in and out, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Drafty frames, outdated glass, or failing seals can significantly reduce energy efficiency. New window installation helps create a tighter seal, keeping your home comfortable while lowering monthly energy expenses. Drafts or temperature changes near windows do certain rooms feel colder in winter or warmer in summer. Standing near your windows shouldn't feel noticeably different from the rest of your home. Drafts, cold spots, or heat gain near window areas usually indicate poor insulation or seal failure. Professional window installers can replace outdated units with modern, energy-efficient windows designed to handle Phoenixville's seasonal shifts. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows should open and close smoothly. If yours stick, jam, refuse to stay open, or won't lock properly, that's more than an inconvenience, it's a safety issue. Warped frames, balance failures, and aging hardware are common problems that signal the need for window replacement. New installations restore ease of use and improve home security. Condensation between glass panes, fog, or moisture trapped between double or triple pane windows is a clear sign of seal failure. Once this happens, the insulating gas escapes, reducing energy efficiency and visibility. Unfortunately, this issue can't be fixed with cleaning or minor repairs. Window installation services are the most effective solution to restore insulation and clear views. Outside noise is more noticeable. If traffic, neighbors, or street noise seems louder than it used to, your windows may no longer provide proper sound insulation. Older single-pane windows or damaged frames allow noise to travel easily indoors. New window installations with insulated glass can dramatically reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing living space. Visible damage or deterioration. Cracked glass, rotting wood frames, peeling paint, or water damage around windows are all signs it's time for replacement. These issues can lead to moisture intrusion, mold growth, and structural damage if ignored. Professional window installation helps protect your home's integrity while improving its appearance. Your home feels outdated. Windows play a major role in curb appeal. If your home looks dated or you're planning to sell in the near future, new windows can make a noticeable difference. Modern designs improve both the interior and exterior look of your home while increasing overall value. Buyers often see new windows as a major advantage. You're planning other home improvements. If you're upgrading siding, remodeling rooms, or improving insulation, it's smart to consider window installation at the same time. New windows complement other upgrades and ensure your home improvements work together for maximum efficiency and comfort. Make this the year you upgrade. If you've noticed one or more of these signs, this year may be the perfect time to explore window installation services in Phoenixville. New windows don't just solve existing problems, they enhance comfort, reduce energy costs, boost security, and refresh your home's look. Investing now can provide long-term benefits you'll enjoy for years to come.